In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a diagonal reference line in Tableau in just 5 minutes. To get started, open up your Tableau application. If you haven't already installed it, make sure to do so first, and then launch the app to get going. Once you're in, navigate to the worksheet where you'd like to add your diagonal reference line. Having your data ready beforehand will make things much smoother. Now, you'll want to drag your profit data to the column section and sales data to the row section of the worksheet. This basic setup is crucial because it forms the foundation of our scatter plot, which is essential for visualizing the diagonal line later on. Next, look for the Analysis tab in the menu bar and click on it, then unselect Aggregate Measures. This ensures that each individual data point is separate, allowing us to properly plot our reference line. Moving forward, we need to create a new calculated field. So, again, under the Analysis tab, you'll want to choose Create Calculated Field. Name this field something relevant, like reference line, and enter the query that matches your specific requirement. After that, hit OK. This calculated field is what we'll use for the reference line's mathematical representation. Head over to your data pane and drag Customer onto the Details shelf. This step will give your visualization extra context by including relevant customer data. Then bring your sales field to the color card. Doing this helps differentiate your sales data visually based on value. Now it's time to bring your focus back to the row shelf where you'll drag your reference line. Follow this by clicking on it and selecting Dual Axis. This feature allows 2 layers of information on the same graph, enhancing your visual story. To ensure your axes are in sync, right-click on the axis on the right side and choose Synchronize Axis. This keeps your scales consistent, which is vital for an accurate representation of data relationships. With the axis synchronized, change to a line chart by selecting Line from the drop-down. Next, right-click on the line and go to Trend Lines, then choose Show Trend Lines. This will project a visible trend that your diagonal line aims to illustrate. Fine-tuning comes next by editing the axes. Right-click on the profit axis, choose Edit Axis, then select Custom. Set your fixed start and end to 20,000 and 125,000 respectively. Perform the same adjustment for the sales axis. These changes set your axes to fixed starting and ending points for consistency. Finally, to clean up the appearance, right-click on your reference line and unselect Show Header. This simple action removes any unnecessary clutter from your visualization, making it look clean and professional. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a diagonal reference line in Tableau. Following these steps ensures a polished and insightful data visualization that stands out.